scratches on there. Hello folks, how you doing today? Pat here from Excursions with Pats. If you haven't did it already, hit that like, hit the subscribe. And on this episode, we're going to be looking at it's the St. Michael's Convent. Yes, this is a convent for nuns, bishops. It was also used for administrative center. But we're going to check this place out. Unfortunately, there's a big excavator behind me, and it's supposedly in a few days, this coming Monday, they're going to be demolishing this beautiful place here. It's quite a shame, unfortunately. It's such a big, beautiful place. They could have turned it into apartments or something, but I guess it came to the point where it was kind of unaffordable. They couldn't let it run, but so they left it vacant for a while. And kids got into this place, they vandalized it, they left the water on, and the whole place got flooded out. So that's one reason why they're demolishing it. You can't go inside. I asked for permission, but yes, I got permission to come here. I asked earlier this morning, I asked the priest if I can take a tour around this old place, and he said no, because it's dangerous. So I'm going to respect his wishes. I'm going to stay out. I'm just going to take a walk around and check things out. It's still beautiful here. So here is the excavator that's going to be demolishing this big, beautiful home, or big, beautiful convent. Just going to take a peek around. I'm not going in, don't worry. Private property, no trespassing. No trespassing. It's open, no? Not gonna go in, like I said. Be considerate. Oh yeah, somebody's been in it. All the doors are open. There's the basement there. Caution. So the basement here looks like it was an area for handicap. Easy way to go in. This is the back end of the convent. It was also called Bishop's Palace. So this place is over 115 years old. You can see the very top window. See the very top window there? It's open. And up there too. So yeah, this was built, constructed back in 1908 and finished in 1911. And it's 2026 now, so if you can do the math, it's 115 years old. Yes, this building's 115 years old. And go up the stairs. There's the wife. Hello, wifey. Your shadow. Oh. Oh, pulling mommy to these stairs. Oh, geez. Get down. Get down. And the building is vacant. The door is wide. The door is open over there. So we're coming around the back. They got it all fenced in here. This is the spring. This is the springtime. Oh, there's an old ladder. Ladder going way up. There's the stairs. That's a cool shot. Some old trees. What's that over here? There's a sign. What does that say? Let your imagination flow. Story area. So it looks like a little kindergarten area. Put this an area where a lot of the kids kind of hung out. So it seems to me they were used in this place for children, for kids activities. So they probably still use they probably were still using this place for a very long time. There's some nice stairs. Look at those stairs. There you go, private property. Oh, look at there, some rocks. So usually with these rocks, you pick it up and you take it somewhere else and you drop it off. There's a sign right there, 1911, Ad Jusem Premium. I think that's in French. There's a cross up there. And it's got THS initials. The stairs are pretty solid. It's all sandstone, eh? This whole building is made of sandstone. It was the planner, I think his name was Bishop Barry. He got his nephew's name was Thomas Foley, and he was the builder. This is all sandstone. So he was the builder of this convent. And a lot of the sandstone that he got was all local from the Miramichi River. Yeah, a lot of the sandstone is all dug out here along the river. All the coral reef or coral areas where they cut out the stones. Nothing like the Egypt pyramids, but pretty amazing, the craftsmanship and all this. I mean, this could probably stand for another 100, 200 years, but the inside is so bad that it would cost millions of dollars, and the city wouldn't spend that kind of money on a place like this. you know, because there's other things more important to spend money on. But it's unfortunately when you let a place go for so long, it turns into this, and it's to the point where it's unfixable. So it's just unfortunate. Yeah, I can't really see inside. Yeah, it's all dark inside. I mean, that window up there, that's kind of spooky. Yeah, there's the big excavator. It's gonna take quite a while to tear this bugger apart. I like to be here on the day that he starts demolishing it. It would be definitely a sad day, but at the same time it'd be quite interesting to see. Here's the old meter box. Here's my puppy behind me. I don't know if you can see anything in there. No, pitch dark. That door. Yeah. Yeah, not allowed in. Now this right here, St. Michael's Church. The wife and I, we got married at that church, didn't we? Hey, we got married at this church. Our daughter got baptized here as well. So we've seen a lot of weddings here, but that's for another day, for another video. Well, yeah, it's pretty much the front of the building. I'm just gonna take a walk up. These are cool stairs. These balconies are huge. Yeah. And as you can tell, I don't know if you can see in there, long, high ceilings. I wonder if this door is open or locked. Yeah. So yeah, she's all locked up like Fort Knox. So yeah, that's a little history of St. Michael's Convent. It's going to be torn down very shortly. Just another building, another historical building that's going to be knocked down, demolished by Mr. Excavator behind me. But yeah, I wish I can get in there, but no. I'm just so, yeah, I won't do it. I respect their wishes. So, but the door is wide open. But if you can't get permission and they said no, you have to listen. So for all you explorers, urbex, make sure if you do explore in abandoned places, ask for permission. Don't go in. You might get hurt, or you might get a ticket or fine or whatever the cops will do. But that's my advice. So it's quite an amazing feat. You can take a look at this. What is that? Look at the scratches. Look at the scratches on that. Huh. And all the sandstone's like black. You see that? I wonder why it's black. But it's solid. It is solid. Yeah, last feat. I'm gonna go up the stairs again for the last time. Then I'm gonna be taking the drone around. So yeah, private property. I wonder if the doorbell still works. No, no power. Hospice. So yeah, that's it. So thank you for coming in here to Excursions with Pat. That's me. Unfortunately, I can't go in, but still nice to walk around just to see just to see what this place really looks like in person. I've seen it in person from a distance, but not really up close. But this will probably be the last time I'll see this place. It'll be demolished very, very shortly, like within the next couple of days. So I'm glad I had time to go and come here and check this place out. But thank you for coming in here, an excursion with Pat. If you didn't do it already, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you on the next excursions. See you guys. Have a good one.